Transferring videos from iPhone to Android doesn't have to be difficult. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 effective methods to do it. MobiKin transfer for mobile. Switch to Android, Google Drive, SHAREit, and Dropbox. Let's start with MobiKin transfer for mobile. MobiKin transfer for mobile is a dedicated tool designed for fast and seamless transfers between devices. To begin, download MobiKin transfer for mobile from their official website. Once the download is complete, install the software on your computer by following the setup prompts. After installation, launch the program and connect both your iPhone and Android device using USB cables. Make sure both devices are recognized by the software. Next, select video from the data options on the screen and click Start Transfer. The software will then move your videos from your iPhone to your Android device efficiently and without hassle. Switch to Android is a wireless solution by Google. Install the app on your iPhone, and it will help you transfer videos and other files directly to your Android device over Wi-Fi, no cables needed. Google Drive allows you to upload videos from your iPhone to the cloud. Once uploaded, simply download them on your Android device by signing into the same account. SHAREit lets you transfer videos directly between devices using a local Wi-Fi connection. Open the app on both devices, select the videos, and send them wirelessly. With Dropbox, the process is similar. Upload your videos to your Dropbox account from your iPhone, then access and download them on your Android device. Each of these methods offers a unique solution for video transfer, but with MobiKin transfer for mobile, you'll get the fastest and most straightforward results. Thanks for watching.